A quick report for a vendor or customer in QuickBooks Online shows detailed transaction data for a selected customer or vendor. To create a vendor or customer quick report in QuickBooks Online, hover over the Reports button in the navigation bar, and then click the Standard Reports link, or click the Standard Reports link in the Reports and Analytics bar if that bar already appears on screen. Either way, the Standard Reports page then appears to the right. Next, depending on whether you want to run a customer or vendor quick report, then type either Transaction List by Customer or Transaction List by Vendor into the Type Report Name Here search bar. Then click the desired report's name in the search results list that appears below the search bar to open the report with its default settings. To set the date range for the report, select a choice from the Report Period dropdown in the Customization Settings section at the top of the report. To filter the report to only show transactions for a selected vendor or customer within their respective report, click the Customize button in the Report Customization Settings above the report to show the Customize pane at the right side of the window. If needed, click the Filters section title in the pane to expand and show its settings. In the Filters section, select Vendor Name or Customer from the top drop-down in the pane. Then, select Equals or Equals including Sub-Vendor or Equals including Sub-Customer from the next drop-down. Finally, select the name of the desired vendor or customer from the final drop-down to show the report for the date range and the selected vendor or customer. To email, print, or export the report as an Excel workbook, PDF file, or CSV file after running it, click the Email, Print, or Export button in the upper right corner of the report. If you click the Export button, then select the desired export format. Then enter any information in the window that opens, depending on your selection, to finish emailing, printing, or exporting the report. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.